So this is our custom splitter setup. Your back end is just held up with a bottle jack for strength, and then 2 axle stands for backup. And that's really all that holds your back end. The tractor's naturally weighted to the front and is in park, so it can't move. Then our custom made splitter runs on rails, so you save your floor and you run true. It really helps when you're running it back. We always run it on 2 dowels, so that'll get you right lined up when you're on your way back in. And then our splitter. So it starts at the bottom with 2 caster wheels with your very large threads, which actually just go into a square piece of tubing. And then that bolt, or that nut, is what you use to make your up and down adjustments. So that goes all the way up and bolts into the frame in 2 places there. There's a leg on each side with a connecting rod, which basically keeps it steady up on the front frame bolt. And then underneath, and to keep everything together, there's just 1 bolt mounted on a one bolt here, mounted on a crossbar. And you want to make sure you take out, have a hole there so you can have it to mount that crossbar. You'll take it out when you split it. And that's basically it.